Hey there, in today's video I'm going to show you how to train Gemini 2.0 to adapt to your work style. Whether you're writing, coding, or planning, Gemini can learn your preferences to deliver tailored suggestions that align perfectly with your workflow. Let's dive in. So, first of all, go to the Gemini and ask for help to understand your unique preferences. And ask yourself questions like, do I prefer concise or detailed responses? What tone do I use? Formal, casual, or creative? How structured do I want my tasks or content to be? After answering those questions, you're going to use the training prompts. Go to the Gemini, right? And use that training prompt right here by asking Gemini 2.0. Here's an example. You are a content creator who prefers witty and conversational writing. Enter a prompt like write 150-word blog introduction about productivity hacks in a casual, humorous tone. And you're gonna hit enter and you're gonna see the answer, right? And once Gemini generates an output, review it and provide feedback if there is one, right? For example, highlight the parts that you like or dislike. I don't like this paragraph, right? Example, or this part. And you're gonna enter the part that you don't like, for example, maybe the first paragraph, right? Or the next one, right? From here. So enter that I don't like this part, right? Or this part is too wordy, right? And basically you can add comments like, you can add this or add comments like make it punchier, right? Or add more statistics. Add more statistics, right? And with repeated feedback, Gemini can adjust to your preferred tone, structure, and level of details, okay? And if you want to customize your workflow, if you're using Gemini 2.0, for instance, specify a formal language. If you're using it for work, right? Specify a formal language, like for example right here at the top, you're gonna just write 150 words without the blog, right? Word blog, or just like basically erase the blog if you don't want to write about blogs, right? And instead of casual and humorous, you're gonna just type formal if you want to do it for a report, right? Formal and clear conclusion, right? You have that option. And for social media, you can choose, instead of formal, you're gonna type engaging, in an engaging, snappy phrasing, right? With emojis and or hashtags. This is an example, purely an example, but you can adjust however you want. If you're using it for a blog, right, you can just type write 150-word blog introduction about productivity hacks in an engaging or formal or bullet points and clear conclusion. So let's basically say that you did those output or this input. You did those inputs you're gonna receive from Gemini 2.0, or you can train Gemini 2.0 to match your work style. With just a little effort up front, you will have a virtual assistant that feels like it's tailor-made for you. Try it out and share your experiences in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.